Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when notification sounds, when tone system sounds are too loud in your AirPods Pro. At the very beginning you should open Settings, then scroll down, find here Accessibility, scroll a bit down again. Here you will see AirPods, click on it, select your AirPods, scroll a bit down, and here you will see tone volume. And now you can decrease the tone and system sound. That's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.